Hey guys and gals, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that a lot of you have been asking me recently: how long does it take for Kraken to verify my account? Now, I know that this can be a frustrating question, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency and you're just trying to get started. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Kraken verification process step by step and give you some tips on how to speed things up. So, let's get started. What is Kraken? Before we dive into the verification process, let's take a quick look at what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's known for its security and reliability. Why does Kraken require verification? Kraken requires verification as part of its anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. These procedures are designed to help prevent criminals from using cryptocurrency to launder money or finance terrorism. How long does it take for Kraken to verify my account? The amount of time it takes for Kraken to verify your account depends on a number of factors, including your verification level and the amount of time it takes for you to submit all of the required documents. There are 4 different verification levels on Kraken: Starter, Intermediate, Pro, and VIP. The higher your verification level, the more features you'll have access to, but the longer it will take to get verified. Here's a breakdown of the estimated verification times for each level. Starter, 1 to 2 minutes. Intermediate, 4 to 5 minutes. Pro, a few days. VIP, up to 10 days. It's important to note that these are just estimates. The actual time it takes for your account to be verified may vary depending on a number of factors. How can I speed up the verification process? There are a few things you can do to speed up the verification process. Submit all of the required documents at once. The faster you submit your documents, the faster your account will be verified. Make sure that your documents are clear and legible. If Kraken has trouble reading your documents, they may need to request additional information from you. Be patient. It can take some time for Kraken to verify your account, especially if you're applying for a higher verification level. Tips for getting verified on Kraken. Here are a few additional tips for getting verified on Kraken. Make sure that you have all of the required documents ready. This will help you avoid any delays in the verification process. Be prepared to answer some questions about your identity and financial history. Kraken may ask you to provide additional information about yourself, such as your place of birth, your employer, and your income source. Be patient. It can take some time for Kraken to verify your account, but it's worth it in the end. Getting verified on Kraken can be a bit of a process, but it's important to be patient and follow the instructions carefully. By following the tips in this video, you can help to speed up the process and get your account verified as quickly as possible. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.